Which wide belt sander is actually good for your small shop? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're diving into 5 options that could transform your woodworking projects.
Product number 1, WEN 6307 Variable Speed File Sander. The WEN 6307 Variable Speed Detailing File Sander. Priced at just $28.10, this little tool caught my attention with its impressive variable speed dial that ranges from 1,080 to 1,800 feet per minute. If you're looking for precision in detailing jobs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With the ability to pivot the belt up to 55 degrees, you can tackle intricate projects that other sanders just can't handle. Plus, the auto-tracking belt system means you won't be constantly adjusting it, saving you time and hustle. It also comes with 3 abrasive sanding belts and a dust port attachment, which is essential for keeping your workspace clean. In fact, over 1,000 units sold last month tells you it's gaining popularity fast. Now, some people complained about the power being a bit limited due to its 2-amp motor. Here's the thing though, if you're working on small, delicate tasks, that more power can actually be a benefit, giving you more control. This is perfect for you if you do detailed work like cabinetry or small furniture. Skip this one if you're looking for something to handle larger surfaces rapidly, but for the price, it's an excellent little tool.
Product number 2, WEN 6321 7-amp Belt Sander. The WEN 6321 7-amp 3-inch by 21-inch corded belt sander, available for $38.79. This model stands out for its compact design and lightweight build, weighing in at just 6 pounds. If you want something that's easy to handle during long sanding sessions, this is definitely worth your time. What makes the sander great is its 7-amp motor that can rotate the belt at over 13 feet per second. This speed is crucial for quickly removing material, especially when you're prepping wood for finishing. The detachable dust back is another nice feature that minimizes cleanup, so you can focus on your projects instead of the mess. With over 800 sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice among DIYers. However, some users have mentioned that it can get a bit hot during extended use. Still, for most small projects, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just keep an eye on it during longer sanding jobs. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or someone who does occasional sanding. Skip it if you need to sand larger surfaces often, but for the price and performance, it's hard to beat.
Product number 3, DeWalt 20V Max Belt Sander. Let's talk about the DeWalt 20V Max Belt Sander, priced at $228.17. This is a step up in terms of power and convenience, especially since it's cordless. What caught my attention is its brushless motor, which is designed to give you up to 22% more power, making it perfect for those heavy-duty sanding jobs. The variable speed trigger is great for fine-tuning your sanding to match the material you're working with. Plus, it offers an incredible 95% dust collection efficiency when paired with a DeWalt dust extractor, which is essential for keeping your workspace clean and safe. With over 600 sold recently, it's clear that people are loving this sander. That said, the price tag might be a stretch for some. However, the investment is justified if you're looking for a powerful, reliable tool that can handle bigger jobs without the hassle of cords. This is perfect for professionals or serious DIYers who need a high-performance tool. Skip it if you're just starting out or only need a sander for light tasks, but I can't stress enough how much you'll appreciate the power this offers.
Product number 4, the WEN Benchtop Belt and Disc Sander. The WEN Benchtop Belt and Disc Sander is next on our list. This dual-purpose machine includes both a 4x36-inch belt and a 6-inch disc, which makes it quite versatile. If you're looking for a way to tackle multiple sanding tasks, this is worth a serious look. The ability to tilt the belt anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees is fantastic for getting into hard-to-reach areas, and the sturdy cast iron base helps reduce vibrations, ensuring a smoother operation. The 4.3 amp motor provides up to 3,600 RPM, giving you the speed you need for efficient sanding. With over 500 sold last month, it's clearly gaining traction. However, some users have found the assembly instructions a bit lacking, but honestly, once you get it set up, the performance more than makes up for it. Plus, it's a solid addition if you're often switching between sanding tasks. This is perfect for you if you have a variety of sanding needs in your shop. Skip it if you want a more portable option, but for the price and features, it's a reliable choice.
Product number 5, Skills 6-amp 3-inch by 18 Belt Sander.
We have the Skill 6-amp 3-inch by 18 belt sander, retailing at $63.98. It's compact and comes with some great features like pressure control technology, which alerts you when you're applying too much pressure. If you're a beginner or just want to ensure you're sanding correctly, you might find this feature useful. The 6-amp motor is solid for any type of wood surface, making it versatile for various projects. Plus, the microfiltration system captures fine dust particles, keeping your workspace cleaner. It's lightweight and easy to handle, which is a huge plus for longer tasks. With over 400 sold recently, it's clearly appealing to many. On the downside, some users mentioned it could struggle a bit with tougher materials, but I'd say for a small shop and casual use, it's more than capable and a great investment for the price. This is perfect for you if you're starting out in woodworking or need a reliable sander for small projects. Skip it if you're looking for something heavy duty, but it offers great value for the money.
We've covered some fantastic options. The Wen 6307 for detail work, the Wen 6321 for lightweight tasks, the DeWalt 20-volt Max for serious power, the Wen benchtop for versatility, and the Skill 6-amp for beginners. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider your specific needs when choosing. Happy sanding!